Hello, project managers and team members. Microsoft Project is a powerful tool designed to help you plan, schedule, and manage projects effectively. Whether you're managing a small project or a large complex initiative, Microsoft Project offers a range of features to keep your project on track. In this guide, we'll walk you through the basics of using Microsoft Project, from setting up your project to tracking progress and generating reports. Let's get started. 1. Setting up your project. Before diving into the details, the first step is to set up your project file. This involves defining the project's basic parameters. Create a new project. Start Microsoft Project. Open the software and go to File greater than New, greater than blank project to create a new project. You can also select from available templates if your project fits a common type. Set project information. Project start date. Go to Project greater than project information and set the start date of your project. If you have a specific end date or deadline, you can also set that here. Define working time. Working calendar. Go to Project greater than change working time to define the working hours, holidays, and non-working days for your project. This is crucial for accurate scheduling. 2. Creating tasks. Tasks are the building blocks of your project schedule. They represent individual pieces of work that need to be completed. Enter tasks. Task list. In the Gantt chart view, enter the names of the tasks in the task name column. Be specific and descriptive to make it clear what each task involves. Organize tasks. Outline tasks. Use the indent task and outdent task buttons to create a hierarchy of tasks and subtasks. This helps in organizing the project into phases or categories. 3. Setting task durations and dependencies. Define how long each task will take and how tasks relate to each other. Set durations. Duration column. Enter the expected duration for each task in the duration column. Use days D, hours H, or weeks W as units. Example, 3D for 3 days. Link tasks. Task dependencies. Select the tasks you want to link, then click the Link Tasks button in the toolbar. The default dependency type is Finish to Start, FS, but you can change this by double-clicking the link line between tasks. 4. Assigning resources. Resources include the people, equipment, and materials needed to complete the project. Create resource list. Resource sheet. Go to View greater than Resource sheet and enter resources along with details like type, work, material, maximum units, and costs. Assign resources to tasks. Assign resources. In the Gantt chart view, click on a task, then go to the Resource tab and use the Assign Resources button to allocate resources. This helps in tracking resource workload and availability. 5. Setting up the project timeline. The timeline view provides a visual summary of the project schedule. Add to timeline. Drag and drop. Drag tasks from the Gantt chart to the timeline view. This gives a high-level visual of your project's key tasks and milestones. Customize timeline. Adjust dates and formatting. Customize the appearance and time span to make the timeline more useful for presentations or status reports. 6. Tracking progress. Tracking progress helps ensure the project stays on track. Update task status. Percent complete. In the Gantt chart view, update the percent complete column to reflect the current status of each task. Set baselines. Baselines. Go to Project greater than Set baseline to save the project's original schedule. This allows you to compare plan versus actual progress. 7. Analyzing project data. Microsoft Project offers various tools to analyze project data and performance. Views and reports. Different views. Switch between Gantt chart, network diagram, and calendar views to get different perspectives on the project. Reports. Go to Report greater than New report to generate reports on project status, resource usage, costs, and more. 8. Managing changes. Projects often encounter changes, and Microsoft Project helps you manage them effectively. Change control. Tracking changes. Use baselines and task updates to track changes in schedule, costs, and scope. Make adjustments in the project plan as needed. Task constraints. Set constraints like must start on or finish no later than by double-clicking on tasks and adjusting in the Advanced tab. 9. Collaboration and sharing. Microsoft Project offers features for team collaboration and sharing project plans. Sharing project files. Export options. You can share your project plan by exporting it as a PDF, Excel, or XML file via File greater than Export. Online collaboration. If using Project Online or Project Server, team members can collaborate in real time, access project files, and update tasks. 10. Finalizing and closing the project. Once the project is completed, it's important to finalize and close the project plan. Review and finalize. Review deliverables. Ensure all project deliverables have been met and documented. Archive project data. Save and archive all project data and documents for future reference or audits. Post-project review. Lessons learned. Conduct a post-project review to identify successes and areas for improvement. Document these lessons for future projects. In conclusion, Microsoft Project is a comprehensive tool that can help you manage projects effectively from start to finish. By following these steps, you can create a detailed project plan, track progress, manage resources, and adapt to changes. Whether you are managing a simple project or a complex portfolio, mastering Microsoft Project can significantly enhance your project management skills. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Good luck with your projects and see you next time.